Good evening, everyone. It is May 3rd, 2017. We're doing a quick two-box break, 2016-17 Upper Deck Trilogy Hockey, number 27. So, let's roll this dice right here in random.org. 5 and a 1, so that's 6 times. So we're going to go 6 times on these list of names. Right here, starting with Michael Tower, ending with Jim. And here are the from the Ducks to the Jets. And that was 6 times. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final time. Alrighty, guys, after 6 times, you guys can see that. And it was a 6. Jim, you're at the top. Jim, you're at the bottom. Let's open up a new Google Sheet. Yeah, Joe F snuck one in really quick. Alrighty, 6 times now on the list of teams. 1. What's going on, Joe P? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final time. Alrighty, after 6 times, Florida, you're at the top. St. Louis, you're at the bottom. Toronto and Winnipeg, don't know where you are at. So let's see. So let's do this. Jim, Panthers. Jim with the Rangers. Andrew, Capitals. Jim with the Jets. Senators, Leafs. Andrew, you got the Kings. Joe F, you got the Devils. Michael Tower with the Flames. Stars. For Michael Van Wy and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Jim, you got the Penguins. Blackhawks. Red Wings. Boston Bruins. Montreal Canadiens. Joe F, you got the Edmonton Oilers. Tony, you got the Preds. Jacqueline, you got the Ducks and Blue Jackets. Jim, Sabres, Sharks, Canucks, Hurricanes, Avalanche. Tony, you got the Flyers. Jim with the Coyotes, Islanders. Michael Tower with the Wild, and Jim, you have the St. Louis Blues. So I'm going to quickly pause the video, guys, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back, open up this 2-box break of Trilogy Hockey, so stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list right here. Once again, for Trilogy number 27, I did just put up number 28 in the store. Jaspy's HobbyLand.com. Jim got the Rangers and Senators for Last Ball Mojo. So good luck. As you can see here, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10 are available. So let's quickly generate 2 boxes. First box, 3. We're doing box 3 first. So that's 1 box. Leave that one right here. Let's go 1 more. And it's box 4. So 3 and 4 here. These will be for future breaks. So here it is, box 3 and 4. No ice scripts have come out of this fresh inner case as well. So we'll see what can come out of here. I think there's ice scripts in every inner case, right? Or is it every master? I don't remember. So there could be some huge cards coming out. Alrighty, guys, good luck. Just hate that these packs rip so easily. Like, I'll just barely touch them and then like it rips off. I need me some of those like O-Pee-Chee Platinum packs. It's just like easier to rip all at once. Just gonna open up the next box really quick. Oh, it's my hot hands that just like make the packs just rip off easily. That's a good one. Alrighty. Good luck, everyone. Anthony Mantha, Detroit Red Wings. Going to Jim. Level 1 rookie premier jersey. 361 of 399. William Nylander, 906 of 999. Level 1 rookie premier. Also going to Jim in the Leafs. Corey Snyder, 812 of 849 for the Devils. Going to Joe F. Max Domi, 727 of 849 for the Coyotes. Going to Jim. Patrick Kane, 385 of 849. Chicago. Going to Jim. Next stack. We have Connor Brown, level 1, 776 of 999. Another hit for Jim. We got Zach Rowinski, level 1 jersey, 391 of 399. Columbus, that's going to Jacqueline. Nice little relic for you. And we have, wow, this is pretty nice. Look at this for the Flyers. Braden Shen, 11 of 17. Nice. Signature pucks. That's pretty sweet. That's going to Tony. And the Flyers. Nice relic right there. Alrighty. That was that box. Let's go on to the next box. Jaden Schwartz, 434 of 491. That's going to the St. Louis Blues. And that's going to Jim. We got a Mitch Marner, 87 of 999. Another hit for Jim. Torrey Krug, 214 of 849. Sabres going to Jim. Another Jaden Schwartz, 278 of 849. Hit for Jim. Alexander Barkov, 231 of 849. Going to Jim and the Panthers. Alrighty, guys. Good luck. Sebastian Aho, 503 of 999. Carolina Hurricanes. Going to Jim. Got a lot of nice level 1 rookies, Jim. Not bad. And we got a Tyler Seguin, Premium Materials, Relic, Dallas Stars. Going to Michael Van Wy. And that is a 12 of 25 as well. Alright, guys, good luck. And for the Florida Panthers, Jim Gray, Signature Puck, Jonathan Huberdeau. Well, there you go, guys. That was a quick 2-box break of Trilogy Hockey. Here we go right here. A lot of nice cards. All the level 1s. Really nice was a Mitch Marner. Almost collected every Toronto Maple Leafs except Matthews. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.